Welcome to Medmart.com. I'm David, our president and product specialist. I'm introducing one of the most exciting Go-Go's in recent years. You can count on Pride Mobility, and you can count on the new Go-Go Super Portable to be one of the best folding scooters in the market. It's got tons of advanced and modern technology, tons of features, great seat. Stay tuned to learn all about this Go-Go Super Portable folding scooter. Let's get into the features and specs for the Go-Go Super Portable.
Meet the Go-Go Super Portable Sport, the ultimate mobility solution for those who value convenience, style, and effortless portability. With its innovative quick fold design, the Go-Go Super Portable scooter collapses just 12 inches deep. No need to remove the seat. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or storing away, the scooter makes life simple. Weighing just 41.6 pounds without the battery, its lightweight yet durable frame, crafted from carbon fiber and magnesium, ensures effortless portability without compromising on strength. Charging has never been easier. The exclusive Charge 360 system magnetically connects with the snap and confirms with LED lights, so you always know you're ready to roll. Safety meets style with bright front and rear LED lights, providing visibility and peace of mind wherever you go. Plus, built-in supports allow the scooter to stand upright when folded, making storage a breeze. The tiller-mounted front bag keeps your essentials within easy reach, and for extra comfort, optional armrests are available to customize your ride. Combining portability, style, and new smart features, the Go-Go Super Portable scooter is the ultimate companion for effortless mobility and everyday convenience wherever you need to go. Wherever life takes you, the Go-Go Super Portable scooter gets you there easily, safely, in style. One of Medmart's favorites and one of the most innovative scooters on the market, the Go-Go Super Portable scooter.